Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Great White. And we are going to react to the song Call It Rock and Roll. I hope it is going to be worthy rock and roll to be called. Let's get started with this.
Very repetitive lyrics, but very catchy at the same time.
Not bad, not bad. Not bad. This is okay. This is okay. Call it rock and roll.
Are these the guys who burnt a set or something and people died?
I don't remember. Every time people say about somebody, but I often,
Was
just
it
forget
Cinderella or was it Great White? One of these two bands.
Must be Great White then. Cinderella, I don't know.
They look
I
kind
don't
of,
think
they
Cinderella.
look naughty. Very, very
They
naughty.
did look naughty. Okay. Yeah. I don't remember, but yeah, people do come and write about it that something happened and they fled the place. They didn't bother about it or something like that. People died. Yeah.
Maybe them, maybe not them, so I'm not sure.
Yeah, maybe them, maybe somebody.
You could look it up, Great White Concert Fire. So we know for
You
sure.
want to try?
Yeah, because we shouldn't just
let's
talk
do
about
that.
it.
Yeah.
Can
we should.
apologize right away.
Yeah.
If you're wrong.
That's right. Yeah.
Great White Concert Fire.
Great White Concert Fire.
Does it come?
Yes, it came 5 victims. Yes, it is there. It is there.
It's
them.
So they fled the scene or something like that after a
The
major
station
fire.
nightclub fire, 26 February 2003. Oh, and it looks bad. Oh, that's sad. The pictures look bad.
They fled the scene or something like that.
Yeah, they've done
Ah, so they didn't stick around. Unlike this song, they're begging, "Come on, baby,
that. And then you're
come
gonna kill
on,
them?
let's rock and roll, let's feel it till your soul." But when the fire hits the ceiling, we are out of here.
About 100 people died and about 230 people had
Oh, that's
non-fatal
bad.
injuries.
That's
so
bad.
means they will have burns for their entire
Did
life.
they compensate them in any way?
We can
Compensation?
go on reading the details
Victims'
about
compensation?
it. I don't know.
Okay, anyway, right, it's sad. It's sad when all these things happen. Maybe, of
And
course,
I can definitely understand the anger among people.
the tour management must be trying to save the band first, so they took them out straight away. But yeah, and a lot
But
of
the
people
band
were trapped.
members should have some kind of, personal feeling that there are people dying and your life is more important than mine and my life is more important than yours.
And it's quite recent too, 2003. It's not
yeah.
that old. I thought it was an old thing.
Yeah, olden times fire
Because
could be possibility because
olden times things would also happen.
machinery and
Even
everything.
songs were made about that.
Yeah.
Like Smoke on the Water
yeah.
of Deep Purple.
Yeah.
So it was very common in the 60s, 70s because people were always smoking something or the other.
Or something went
And
wrong,
it
something
could
sparked
easily
and all.
easily cause problems. Yeah.
Finally, we addressed that thing because it was right. Luckily, it happened to be Great White and we weren't wrong about it. Thank God we checked. Yeah. As a song, it sounded good, but for call it rock and roll,
I will say this in Great White's defense.
yeah.
In Great White's defense, most rock musicians are the same.
They would have done the same.
Most
They
rock
would have done the
musicians,
same. Yeah.
they were in trouble, they would be the first to leave the place.
They would be the first to.
They
get
wouldn't care a damn about the fans.
In fact, Metallica here in Mumbai, here in India, they were supposed to have a concert about
the great
5 or
Metallica?
7 years ago.
Here we are talking about the Great White.
Yeah, and in India,
The great
we
Metallica?
haven't had any kind of bad experience during a concert. I don't remember any
Never any
ever
major.
happened. Yeah,
Nothing major.
yeah, never
And
artists
there
have
have
been
been
attacked.
thousands of shows, rock shows in
Yeah.
India.
In fact, we have our own things going.
Yeah,
throughout
much
the
more
year.
than the West.
Yeah.
Because we have a massive
And these
population
people, even after
massive
bookings and everything,
festivals and all that.
last moment they cancelled a show where people were already paid.
People were already there.
Yeah, and
People
they
were
said for
already
security
there.
reasons.
People were already inside, I think 40,000 or more in Delhi. They were already inside.
How sad.
And then Metallica decides that it's a security risk. It's too close to the stage, the fans, standing too close to us and all that.
They don't
And for that
carry daggers
reason,
and guns
for
here.
that reason, they cancelled that gig. I remember it well because two of my close friends went all the way to Delhi for that. They booked hotels, they stayed
They were
there,
supposed to have 2
and
shows.
they had to come back because Metallica decided last minute, mind you, that this is too close
Last
to the
minute
stage.
means on the same.
They could have
before
worked
coming
something out. They could have said, let's wait half an hour, let's push back something, let's do something.
yeah,
No. Metallica just
They
cancelled.
cancelled it.
So Great White, Great Metallica. What's the name logic behind Great White, by the way? They think they are Great Whites.
Not that great
Ah,
now.
okay.
Yeah.
Not that great, yeah.
Yeah. After what has
Sadly.
happened, it isn't.
Sadly, with all the things coming out in recent times about them, not that great.